Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the pantry drawer door in an LG refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair, should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new pantry drawer door. This door is located near the bottom of the fresh food section. It opens when the pantry drawer is pulled out and closes when it's pushed in. The main reason to replace the pantry drawer door is if it's broken and won't stay in place. To get to the part, we need to open the French doors. Right, now I'm going to remove both crisper drawers. Straight out, lift, and pull out. Next I'm going to remove this pantry drawer. Now the door, I need to support it because it's broken. And lift up and take it out. That's what I mean by broken. In ideal world, we would have 3 clips, 1, 2, and 3. We have 2 broken off, and it's only hanging on that one on the right side. So we're gonna push it up. And I'm gonna take this part out. This is the old pantry drawer door next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Okay, so we're ready to install the new pantry door, and that's 1, 2, and 3 clips, as I told you that we are going to have on the new one. We're going to put it on. And now we're going to reinstall this pantry drawer. And lift up on the door and slide this in on the rails, push it in. And now we can slide in the crisper drawers and put it onto this roller and slide it in. And now we can close the doors. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.